Samuel Balamio, followed by Alex Zimmerman and Chris Persons.
Hi, my name is Alex Zimmerman and I represent Stand Up America. We stand up for poor people, for ordinary people. We spoke with you for a long time, almost every day. What is you doing right now, guys? It's nothing different what is did before German Nazi with Gestapo or Soviet Union communists with KGB. It's exactly what is you doing, only different platform you have right now. Is this platform about poor people? But it's not matter color, nation, or how much money in your package. Principle same. It's a pure discrimination and segregation. You know what it means? This is exactly what has happened. What is you doing right now is very typical for fascism. When government, top government employee, together with corporation, together go against people. You know what it means? Ordinary poor people. Stop fascism is speech number one. Number two, it is very important. For my understanding, government will spend money for this project. And because I'm professional business consultant in HUD department in country, Housing Authority, in Seattle Housing Authority, almost for 23 years, I know how much $1 billion operates these two people. Two people, yes, exactly, because it's government corporation. People, people, people. So almost we're talking about $2 billion. What has happened for last 20 years, exactly for last 10 years, is investment goes straight to very expensive, rich location. This is exactly what is HUD approved. This is exactly what has happened for last many years. You know what this means? You forgot, guys, we are human too. We're not a cow. You know what this means? So stop and take from us blood, milk, meat, as bones go to aristocrat, vegetable. Stop fascism. Stop fascism. No pasaran. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Sam Bellamio. I'm here with Stand Up America. Lies. I believe in one of you. There's not one thing that you're doing on behalf of the citizens. You see this view? That's $1 million view when this is done. You think any of these people are going to be living there? Do you think that's in any of the contracts? You're destroying the community so that way a bunch of rich white people can come, move in, gentrify the area. We're going to lose a culture in Seattle. A vital community. We're going to lose these people to just some rich white people that get this view while their kids are down there playing. I walked by several times and they're down there happy. When this is done, they're not going to be there. They're going to be shoved out and into the suburbs. What are you guys doing up there? If you're not working for us, who are you working for? We're going to lose 14 families when this plan is done. We're not adding families to this neighborhood. We're taking 14 families away. And where are they going to get? They're going to get this view. They're going to get the apartment next to the elevator that has no windows. It's going to be stuffy. There's no clause in there. A corporation is now housing these people. We're taking out of the citizens' hands to take care of our most needy. And we're going to give it to some corporation? What are you people doing? What are you doing? 30 years. And we lose all respect for you when you start doing stuff like this. Wake up and stand up. And everyone, it's up to us to stop these people from destroying culture in our community.